Do you want to charge your 18650 lithium battery safely up to exactly 4.2 volts without damaging it? Today, I will show you a simple, adjustable lithium battery charger circuit that anyone can make at home. Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have made an adjustable 18650 battery charger circuit that can safely charge any lithium battery step by step. I am showing the charging process of an 18650 battery up to 4.2 volts, which is the perfect and safe charging voltage. For your convenience, the circuit diagram is inside the video, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's first see the components used in this project. LM317 voltage regulator IC. 1 kilo ohm quarter watt resistor, 10 kilo ohm variable resistor, heatsink for LM317, 5 volt DC supply or mobile charger. In my case, I am using a 500 milliamp universal adapter, but you can use any 5 volt mobile charger. LM317 pin configuration. Before making the circuit, it's very important to understand the LM317 pin configuration. When you face the IC towards you, first pin is the adjust pin, middle pin is the output pin, third pin is the input pin. Now let's make the circuit step by step. First, connect the 1 kilo ohm resistor between pin 1 and pin 2 of the LM317 IC. Next, take the 10 kilo ohm variable resistor. Connect its middle pin, the Viper pin, to pin 1 of the LM317 IC. Now connect the negative supply to the first pin of the variable resistor. After that, connect the positive supply to pin 3 of the LM317 IC, which is the input pin. Now fix the LM317 IC on a heatsink using a screw because the IC can get warm during charging. Before connecting the battery, we must set the correct charging voltage. Connect a digital multimeter to the output of the circuit. Using the variable resistor, slowly adjust the voltage. In my case, I am setting it to 4.2 volts, which is the maximum safe voltage for an 18650 lithium battery. Now take the battery holder. Connect the negative wire of the holder to the negative supply. Connect the positive wire of the holder to pin 2 of the LM317 IC, which is the output pin. Now insert the 18650 battery into the holder. As you can see on the multimeter screen, the battery voltage is slowly increasing step by step, which means the battery is charging properly. This circuit will not overcharge the battery, so there is no chance of damaging it. If you want, you can also charge 2 batteries together by using a 1 amp or higher current charger, connecting both batteries in parallel. Comment below if you want me to show charging 2 or more batteries in the next video. Always double-check the voltage before connecting the battery, and never exceed 4.2 volts for lithium batteries. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and safe electronics projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.